Okay, I know everybody's getting bored of hearing this, but this is just another amazing story. I want to show this. So this is a full thickness rotator cuff tear. You can see here we applied sutures and then we went ahead and laid in the REGENETEN bovine bioinductive implant. And here's our lovely young patient right here with big smiles. How many days are you out from surgery?
A week.
7 days out. So
Yes.
full thickness tear. We did that new block for you, right? The scaling block with Exparel. How did that go?
Oh my God, it was fantastic. No pain whatsoever. It was such a wonderful experience, and
So no narcotic pills at all?
None whatsoever.
Are you sleeping okay?
Sleeping wonderful.
Can you lift your arm for us?
I sure can.
So this is 7 days out. So I know I got some physical therapists out there that are watching me. This is
It's amazing.
It really is the truth. We're not making this up. With the use of this Exparel scaling block, we're actually operating on patients with full thickness rotator cuff tears without opioids.
Yeah.
And with that REGENETEN implant, we're also seeing really a dramatic recovery here. So really fantastic. Big smile for the crowd. Awesome. Thank you very much.